Text your group chat and tell all the turkey neck lovers to come over how we roast cook.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me get off hot, please.
Today seemed like it was gonna be a day where it was overcast for the most of it. The temperature was lower than normal, so I decided to do some cooking in the backyard. But I'm done now, but the sun come out so red. But yeah, we're making rice and peas. Some people call it ghetto oxtail, but of course it's brown stew turkey neck with beans and some vegetable on the side. Welcome to How We Roast Cook. I'm your girl Marcy. Let's get cooking. If you have been looking for an oxtail substitute that's packed with flavor but doesn't break the bank, you're in the right place. Today we're making Jamaican style brown stew turkey neck with beans. Cooked the old fashioned way right here in my backyard. And listen, don't let anybody fool you. If turkey neck is cooked properly, if it's cooked right way, it's tender and it's rich and absolutely delicious. So grab a seat and let's get cooking. I don't like the big chunks of turkey neck, so I always cut it in my desired size, and I like to take out that bone marrow. My daughter always say, "Mommy, leave it alone. That's what's gonna make the turkey neck even sweeter." Alright, so it's up to you if you want to keep it or leave it, and we have to go ahead and rinse it with lime, salt, vinegar, whichever one. Now, one thing about us Caribbean people, when we're cooking, we don't rush, and we definitely don't skip the seasoning. All right, that's where all the magic starts. So go ahead, use your favorite seasoning. I'm just using what I have in my cupboard. All right, every piece of turkey neck is getting coated with fresh herbs, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, black pepper, all purpose. Whatever you have, go ahead, add it. But of course, don't leave out the browning unless you're cooking curry turkey neck, right? So I will add some olive oil just so the seasoning can get to adhere. But the next seasoning that you will see me add is green seasoning and also jerk seasoning. All right, all the components that your meat need is in these seasoning: the garlic, the ginger, and all that good stuff. And we're gonna let it sit in the fridge and marinate, let all the flavors get to introduce themselves to one another. And also, good food takes a little patience. Let's cover it down. The food smells so good already. Trust me. Whenever I cook this, I always tell Kendra that it's oxtail, but she have sense now. She knows it's turkey neck, so she can't fool her again. Say I just sear the meat. The meat just sear and the whole backyard smell good. It's a good thing to the yard fence up, because maybe people that just walk over and ask when me I cook. Trust me, the meat has browned properly and it has produced its own liquid and it's gone down. And now I'm gonna use that same pot that it was seasoned in, add some water to it and just pour it in the pot. We're gonna cover it down and we're gonna consistently, like every 5 minutes, 10 minutes interval, we're gonna go in and we're gonna add little water until the meat nice and tender. Now I'm going in with my sweet peppers, onion, garlic. I have scallion, thyme, carrots. All those beautiful colors are gonna combine, and they're not just beautiful, they're gonna add to the already flavored pot. All right, so the garlic, after I sear it and it's cooking, I was supposed to add the garlic, but I forgot. But nevertheless, garlic is in the jerk seasoning and garlic was in the green seasoning, so it doesn't matter. The pot still gonna turn out really good. And as I said before, Scotch bonnet always a mind him own business, and I did not pierce him because my husband doesn't like spicy food. But now it's time to add the beans, and around here beans don't just fill the pot, they soak up all that rich brown stew gravy. I'm not gonna lie, right now I wish I had another can to put in there and just put 2 cans, because we love beans over here. Look at that gravy. It still can go down some more, but it's nice and thick and it's packed with herbs and vegetables. This is why people should not judge turkey neck. That's turkey neck no do no nothing. It might not get the attention like oxtail, but when it's cooked like this, it can definitely hold its own. Trust me. If you have never tried it before, try this recipe and it might just become your new favorite. So that's it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the vlog, backyard style vlog. All right, give the video a thumbs up.